Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I've got a really fun haul for you guys today. Before I get started, I'm going to talk about two things. One is that I'm very sad that I started a million projects because now I have to clean everything up because I have the cleaners coming. I am not wealthy. My mother buys me cleaning once a month for a Christmas present. So I really don't use it as often as I should. Sometimes just clean my own house because it's just easier because I have to clean before they can come because I have projects littered from one end to the other. The other thing before I get started on my haul is I'm sure I'm not the only one who has done this where you've either been A, careless with ordering, or B, what you order is just not represented well. So I ordered these. These are stamens for some flowers, and this is going to be for an upcoming project. And this is the size. I'm very happy with this size. You see this? It's like, I don't know what size this is, but it's a very good size. Okay. Then I ordered these. I don't know if you can see it, but they are like microscopic. They're so, so tiny. I don't even know how I'm going to even use them. But anyway, and I've done this before where I've ordered something and the size has just been like totally off. And it's just, it bothers me to no end because it's just like not worth sending it back. So I don't know if it's just me or the description. I don't know. The picture, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go on to my haul. It's kind of a random haul, but kind of fun. I ordered from Marker Pop. Now, Marker Pop sent me an email and said that they were clearing a bunch of CC Designs items. So I raced over there. One of the items I wanted actually was sold out before I could even, buy it. I don't remember what it was, but I did buy what they had that I thought I would like to use. And so this is what I got, and I went to find out the prices so you can know and see if these are still available. It came very, very quickly because they're located very close to me. Their warehouse is very close. This one's called Christmas Wishes, so it has all these really fun sentiments. I think it's very cute, a little bit different sentiments than what I have, and I do like this, just wishing you a Merry Christmas. The font's very cute. This, I don't know what I think the prices for this was like $14.95 or something to that effect, and these were reduced to $4.15. So I got that one, and then I got this die. So you get 3 border dies. You get this tree, this like hill or snow hill thing, and like an icicle, I guess. They are right here. And this one was reduced to winter border at $4.75. So $4.75 for that. And then this was the deal of a day because I can't remember how much these were, but I want to say these were over $20. And these are the tags galore. And I have a lot of tags, but I like the size, and I also like these little fold over little tabby things that you can put on your hole right there. I like that. So this one was reduced down to $5.05. So I thought that was a good deal. And then I got a clear stamp set. It's called Snowy. And Snowy was reduced down to $3.85. And this was very, very cute. Happy Snow Day. I love winter. For my frosty friends. Snowy wishes to you. Thanks so much. Snowy kisses coming your way. Sparkly snowflake wishes to you. Happy snowflake season. And Snow Buddy loves you as much as me. So very cute. A little bit different sentiments than what I have. So I like that. This one is Big Sister and Little Brother. Very cute. I think in this one you could even kind of trim the girl away. Like you could stamp it and trim the girl away, and you can have the girl separately if you wanted. This one was, these are usually about $8 or $9, and this one was reduced down to $2.35. Then I did get this one. I don't have a stamp set for it, but dang, these dies are expensive. So I went ahead and picked up the dies because I almost bought the stamp set when they had their 45% off sale on their website. So I will keep an eye on buying this stamp set. But these are the dies. These are the, what are these called? Easter Town. And they are reduced down to $5.35. So I think they're like $16 or something on the website. Then I bought this die from, I want to say Amazon, and it's a Chamel die, and it makes a little box. So I will be doing a video on this later. This is the little box it makes. It's super cute. So I got that. Don't know how much I paid for it. I paid a premium, I think. Then I got an order from Polkadoodles UK. So I ordered from the UK, and I don't know, I was just compelled. They had these little gnome guys on sale, and then I was just compelled to buy a bunch of stuff since I was ordering. So let me show you what I got. These are just the most stinking adorable little gnome guys. So this one's called Naughty or Nice, and these are clear stamps. You can see that, very cute. I love that. And then this one, excuse me, it's called 25 December. And I love that because you get the number and the month, as well as this very, very adorable stamp set. It's really cute. Really cute. So I got that one. And then this one is Snow Ho Ho. Little snow guys. And then here's the stamp set. Isn't that cute? So there they are. And then I got this little girl. And she reminds me a little bit of like an Alice in Wonderland type doll. I just love her. I think she's really cute. Time for tea. And she is rubber. And when you put them in, these ones in the Misty, because I do have these ones, which I bought in the US. While they are rubber, they're not as high and thick rubber as a regular, like, red rubber stamp, I should say. So like my Prima Dolls, for example. So when you put it in, at least for my Misty, I leave the little black pad inside of it. So usually when you do red rubber or rubber stamps, you would take this black mat out so that it would give you enough space to bring your little hinge over. And you leave it in for your clear stamps. But I find that I have to leave it in because these are like in between sizes. It's in between a thicker rubber stamp and the clear. So it's kind of an odd size, but I really think it's cute. So I'm excited about that. And then I got this one. They had all these little houses that I thought were really cute. So I just opted to get this one. It's called Snow Place Like Home. And it's a kind of a larger clear stamp. Have the most wonderful Christmas, and there's no place like home. I just love the sentiments in it and how they're written. I don't have my autofocus on right now, so hopefully it's not bothering you guys. Then I picked up their dies. So it was really hard to decide, but I got this one, which is Cottontail. This one, which is Berry Cute. And this one, which is Foxy Fun. And then I got these. This is Winnie Chic. Really cute. And then this one, which is Miss Winnie. There's 3 of them. I didn't get the third one. That's on my list for next time. And I do like the size of them. And I feel like the little parts that go to her, I mean, these ones are small. But for the most part, most of the pieces are not all super tiny. This one's got a little bit. No, it's not that bad. So it's not bad. I mean, you can make a doll and it's not going to kill you to make all those pieces because sometimes it's hard. And then this is really cool. I was excited to get this. So this is 14 Fantastic Skin, Hair, and Fur colors. And it's really designed for you to die cut. So I don't know about you, but when you die cut, you end up with all these large kind of funky shaped leftover pieces. And the thing about this is it's kind of already broken up for you so that it's easier for you to die cut, and all the colors are sort of designed to go with the animals dyes that they sell and the skin for the girls. So I think that's really cool. I'm excited to use that. So that is my haul. And I thought it was kind of fun because it was a little bit different places than I normally show. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Crane with the Heart.